What's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports. A little rainy today, but we traded in a beautiful 06 LBZ DURAMAX yesterday. Just wanted to get a quick video of it so that way you guys know what the next truck was that's coming up. So this is a 06 LBZ with just over 200,000 miles. Mechanically very nice. Has a full built transmission that was just done the past couple months ago. It's currently running a 6-inch BDS all suspension lift, 22x14 hostiles. It's currently running 37s. We're going to take those off and go down to a 35 Nitto. Tons of other upgrades as well. It's got 5 tunes with PPEI, with EFI Live, fast fuel system, triple gauge pods on the inside so you can monitor whatever you want to monitor. Again, just a gorgeous truck. No rust, mechanically very nice. You can see the frame's clean as can be. I have to pull the exact history to know if it was, 100% from the South, but it was a local VA truck, at least for the last owner. So, again, no rust issues, nothing like that. So if you get any questions, give us a call. This truck will hit the lot next week, so I know we'll have a lot of interest on it. It'll probably sell fairly quick. So if you're interested, give us a call direct, 540-898-1300. Make sure you hit the subscribe button in the bottom right. That way you get to see more videos like this and more trucks like this as soon as we post them, so you can be one of the first guys to be able to buy them. Again, 06 LBZ DURAMAX, 205,000 original miles, crew cab, four-wheel drive, tons of goodies. Give us a call, 540-898-1300.